All right, without any further ado, I'm going to add the thing. So what I'm doing here is I copied that embed code and pasted it into Chrome. As Jason said, like to actually use this on your website, like we're currently using this on the Embr site, you'd already have this set up as part of your code. So when the site loads, it actually effectively does this, but as part of the page load. But here we go. That's what the Embr checkout widget looks like on the SafeMoon website.
That's
And
as if, SafeMoon decided to, you know what, we're going to use the Embr checkout
as
and
opposed to sending you somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's right.
And
so I mean, we have the same thing on our own website right there. And so, we're currently working through different stylings, light and dark modes as well with our design team, so that when someone puts it into their website, obviously we're starting with this kind of simple, contained version, but eventually we'll have a version that will probably is themable and kind of sits within the website design a little bit more closely as well. All right, shall we do the thing?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
So for everyone listening in, the widget has been dropped in the SafeMoon hero panel, and James is basically connecting his wallet, and go for it.
And also, too, for those of you guys are listening, I do suggest you guys check us out, on any of our multiple platforms. You can watch the video of this. We'll be making this shareable, because to be able to see is to believe.
Yeah, that's right. One thing that I will note, and I can show this in a moment, is if you happen to be on the wrong chain, we're trying to catch all the edge cases. Is what we would say in software development is edge cases.